Welcome to our comprehensive guide on finding the best nose and ear hair trimmer. Say goodbye to unruly strands with our expert reviews and recommendations. Whether you're a grooming guru or a newbie, we got you covered with insights to keep you looking sharp and feeling confident. Let's dive in and trim away the hassle. Number 1. Ultimate grooming solution with the Wahl Micro Groomsman Battery Personal Trimmer. Engineered for precision, this versatile trimmer is your go-to tool for maintaining impeccable eyebrows, neckline, nose, ears, and more. Its compact design ensures easy handling, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or detailed grooming sessions at home. Equipped with high-performance features, including a detail head for intricate work and a rotary head for nose and ear hair trimming, this trimmer delivers exceptional results with every use. Its effectiveness in removing unwanted hair is unmatched, leaving you with a clean and polished look. Built to last, the Wahl Micro Groomsman boasts durability that stands the test of time, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. With its affordable price point, you get professional quality grooming at a fraction of the cost. Say goodbye to unruly hairs and hello to effortless grooming with the Wahl Micro Groomsman Battery Personal Trimmer. Elevate your grooming routine with this indispensable tool and experience grooming perfection like never before. Number 2. Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 5000. Your all-in-one solution for precise grooming of nose, ears, and eyebrows. Crafted with a sleek and ergonomic design, this trimming kit offers effortless handling and comfort, ensuring a smooth grooming experience every time. Equipped with advanced features including Protect 2 technology and ultra-precise cutting blades, the NT5600/62 delivers unparalleled effectiveness in removing unwanted hair with utmost precision. Say goodbye to painful pulling and tugging. This trimmer ensures gentle and efficient trimming for a flawless finish. Designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, the Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 5000 is built for durability, guaranteeing long-lasting performance that you can rely on. Its high-quality construction ensures years of hassle-free grooming, making it a valuable addition to your grooming arsenal. With its affordable price tag, the NT5600/62 offers exceptional value for money, providing professional quality grooming results without breaking the bank. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a beginner, this trimming kit is perfect for achieving a polished and well-groomed look with ease. Number 3. MANSCAPED Weed Whacker 2.0 Electric Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer. Your ultimate grooming companion for tackling unruly nose and ear hair with ease. Designed with precision and style in mind, this trimmer boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, making grooming sessions effortless and comfortable. Equipped with cutting-edge features including a powerful 9,000 RPM motor and skin-safe technology, the Weed Whacker 2.0 ensures precise and efficient trimming without the risk of nicks, cuts, or irritation. Its dual-edge blade design allows for thorough trimming of even the most stubborn hairs, leaving you with a clean and polished look every time. Built to withstand the demands of daily grooming, the Weed Whacker 2.0 is crafted from high-quality materials for exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. Priced competitively, the Weed Whacker 2.0 offers unbeatable value for money, providing professional quality grooming results at an affordable price. Don't let pesky nose and ear hair hold you back. Invest in the MANSCAPED Weed Whacker 2.0 Electric Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer today and experience grooming perfection like never before. Number 4. Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 3000, your go-to grooming essential for precise and effortless trimming of nose, ears, and eyebrows. Designed with user convenience in mind, this trimmer boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to handle and perfect for grooming on the go. Equipped with advanced trimming technology including Protect 2 technology and ultra-sharp cutting blades, the NT5600/62 ensures effective and gentle removal of unwanted hair without pulling or tugging. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to smooth and precise grooming results every time. Built to last, the Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 3000 is crafted from high-quality materials for exceptional durability and long-term performance. Rest assured that your grooming tool will withstand the test of time, providing reliable grooming whenever you need it. With its affordable price point, the NT5600/62 offers unbeatable value for money, delivering professional quality grooming results without breaking the bank. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a beginner, This trimmer is perfect for achieving a polished and well-groomed look with ease. Number 5. Micro Touch Titanium Max Lighted Personal Trimmer, your ultimate grooming companion for precise and effortless trimming. Crafted with a sleek and ergonomic design, this trimmer fits comfortably in your hand, ensuring maximum control and maneuverability during grooming sessions. Equipped with advanced features including titanium-coated blades and built-in LED light, the Micro Touch Titanium Max offers exceptional effectiveness in removing unwanted hair from nose, ears, eyebrows, and more. The titanium coating ensures long-lasting sharpness, while the LED light illuminates hard-to-reach areas for precise trimming every time. Built to withstand the rigors of regular grooming, this trimmer is engineered for durability, guaranteeing reliable performance for years to come. Say goodbye to flimsy trimmers that break down easily. With the Micro Touch Titanium Max, you can trust in its quality and longevity. Priced competitively, the Titanium Max offers unbeatable value for money, providing professional quality grooming results at an affordable price. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a beginner, this trimmer is perfect for achieving a polished and well-groomed look with ease. Number 6. Panasonic Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer for Men, equipped with a revolutionary vacuum cleaning system to make grooming a breeze. Its sleek and ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, allowing for precise trimming of unwanted hair in hard-to-reach areas like the ears and nose. Featuring a powerful dual-edge blade, this trimmer effectively captures and cuts hairs without pulling or tugging, providing a smooth and comfortable grooming experience. The built-in vacuum system sucks up trimmed hairs, keeping your grooming area clean and mess-free. Crafted with durability in mind, the Panasonic trimmer is built to last, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Say goodbye to flimsy trimmers that break down easily. With Panasonic, you can trust in the quality and durability of your grooming tool. Priced competitively, this trimmer offers exceptional value for money, providing professional quality grooming results at an affordable price. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a novice, the Panasonic Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer is perfect for achieving a polished and well-groomed look with ease. Number 7. ERGN 30K Nose, Ear, and Facial Hair Trimmer, the ultimate grooming tool designed to effortlessly tackle unwanted hair. Its sleek and compact design fits comfortably in your hand, ensuring precise trimming of nose, ear, and facial hair with ease. Equipped with a powerful rotary cutting system and dual-edge blades, this trimmer effectively captures and cuts hairs without pulling or tugging, delivering a smooth and comfortable grooming experience. Whether used wet or dry, its versatility allows for grooming in the shower or on the go. Featuring a Vortex cleaning system, the ERGN 30K makes cleanup a breeze. Simply rinse the trimmer under running water for quick and easy maintenance, keeping your grooming routine hassle-free. Crafted with durability in mind, this Panasonic trimmer is built to last, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Say goodbye to disposable trimmers. Invest in quality with Panasonic for grooming precision that stands the test of time. Priced competitively, the ERGN 30K offers exceptional value for money, providing professional quality grooming results at an affordable price. Whether you're a grooming enthusiast or a beginner, this trimmer is perfect for achieving a polished and well-groomed look without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning into our guide on the best nose and ear hair trimmers. Don't let stray hairs ruin your style. Invest in the right trimmer today for a sleek, polished look. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product recommendations. Until next time, stay well-groomed and confident.